Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we were talking about the trumpet, the soor that angel Israfil will blow, and that will cause a very, very, dangerous sound, horrible sound, and that sound will cause the destruction, and everything will be destroyed. The earth, the skies, the sun, the moon, the stars, the ocean, all the universe will be destroyed. And that destruction will be followed by the resurrection. I mean, there will be another soor, another sound of trumpet, and on the second sound, all the dead, all dead will resurrected, and their souls will be reunited to their old bodies that they used to have in their life. So there are actually two trumpet sounds. One will destroy each thing, everything, and the other, on the other sound, the bodies and the souls will be reunited, and the souls will be sent back to their same bodies that they used to be in before their death. All the dead bodies will be raised and will gather on the plain earth. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls them